guys, happy Wednesday. I can't believe it's already Wednesday. This is your new problem, your second problem this week, and it says Mrs. Gray decided to make necklaces to sell at the craft fair. She spent $245 on supplies to make her necklaces. At the craft fair, she sold 35 necklaces for $15 each. How much profit did she make? Ooh, I'm tying in. I'm going to tell you profit with multiplication this time. So we're going to be practicing our area models that we're learning to make our multiplying a little bit easier. Okay, so let's start first with our cube strategy before we get ahead of ourselves. Let's circle our numbers, 245, 35, and 15. Let's underline our question. How much profit did she make? And let's look for some important words. All right, so she spent. That would tell me that's probably her expenses. That's what we're going to be subtracting because she spent that much to make her necklaces. And then she sold 35 necklaces for $15 each. So if each one costs that amount, that's our clue that we're multiplying. All right. Each necklace, 35 necklaces, $15. So you'd be going, if you wanted to add this, you'd have to do 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, 35 times. So repeated addition. And that would be way too hard to figure out. So we're going to use our multiplication to help us. All right. And then our last key word is that it is profits. That's another subtraction word that we're going to be subtracting that. But we've got to multiply first to find out our income. Nothing to eliminate. Let's work on our U-box for today. So how much profit did she make is our question. So I will find her profit. So I'm going to write that same equation with words that we wrote on Monday, that you have to take income minus expenses to equal your profit. So the first step is we have to find her income. Her income will be where you take the 35 necklaces times 15. That's your first step. 35 times 15. That is your income. Minus, she spent $245 on supplies. That is her expenses. And we're going to say that is equal to profit. Now, guess what? We cannot put 35 times 15 in a strip diagram. Otherwise, we'd be drawing 15 little boxes and writing 35 in it every time. So that does not work. I will not make you do that. So all I need today is a number sentence, and our picture or our model will be our area model that we draw down here. Okay? Oh, I went ahead of myself. You don't even have to do this. I gave you an answer for tomorrow. Oh, I got so excited. Okay, so I'm going to stop there before I finish this problem. I love problem solving. And you can go ahead and write an answer for tomorrow. I just gave it to you. All right, see you tomorrow to finish this.